Come on, boys. Come on. How do you know you were sick yesterday? Faulty memory. Unfortunately, you need so much mica powder to go into this clay. That is how they get ya. We only got about 2 minutes left in the game. Oh, no, 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 no. That is very sick. Don't look directly at her eyes. It's a trap. Yes! We win! Woo! Okay, I could turn the game off now. Wait, what's going on? I think, okay, sorry. Burnmouth is trying to say the game shouldn't be over yet. Okay. Okay. No, we're good. We're good. Game over. Okay. I can shut that off now. Now I can pay full attention. Sorry, guys. I just love my team. I just love them. All right. So this cane, which is what they're called, is going to be a leaf cane. And then I'm making some blue ones to I'm gonna try. I've never tried this before, and it could just be a big fuck up, but I'm going to try to make a world tree cane. I've never seen it done, so I'm making it up. Leaf ones I have seen and I've done before. But we're going to try this. Calling it her own game.